Government Schemes India and States Current Affairs MCQs. Part 3 Exam Preparation 2026. 49. The Advanced Chemistry Cell Production Linked Incentive ACCPLI scheme is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Power. B. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. C. Ministry of Heavy Industries. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer, C. Ministry of Heavy Industries. 50. What is the name of the scheme recently approved to provide assured treatment to road accident victims? A. PM Suraksha Setu Yojana. B. PM Jeevan Raksha Scheme. C. National Road Emergency Care Mission. D. PM Rahat. Correct answer, D. PM Rahat. 51. Which state UT has launched Lakpati Bitya Yojana for welfare of girls? A. Delhi. B. Uttarakhand. C. Gujarat. D. Ladakh. Correct answer, A. Delhi. 52. Which state government launched Stree Suraksha scheme to give monthly pension to unemployed women and trans women? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, A. Kerala. 53. Designing innovative solutions for holistic access to justice, DISHA, scheme is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Law and Justice. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Law and Justice. 54. The Design Linked Incentive Scheme is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. 55. Indira Gandhi Sukh Shiksha Yojana was launched by which state government? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Punjab. Correct answer, A. Himachal Pradesh. 56. Which state government has launched the Bangla Yuva Sathi Scheme 2026 to support unemployed youth? A. West Bengal. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Manipur. Correct answer, A. West Bengal. 57. The Rahavir scheme is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. D. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Correct answer, D. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 58. The Eligible Manufacturer Importers EMI scheme has been launched by which organization? A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. D. Securities and Exchange Board of India. Correct answer, B. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. 59. Which ministry has implemented the Global Engagement Scheme to promote India's rich cultural heritage internationally? A. Ministry of External Affairs. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Tourism. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Culture. 60. Which state government has launched Godam Yojana to manage stray and abandoned cattle? A. Jharkhand. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Bihar. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer, B. Chhattisgarh. 61. Which state government has launched the Divyang Shakti scheme to provide free bus travel for persons with disabilities across the state? A. Bihar. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Jharkhand. D. Kerala. Correct answer, B. Andhra Pradesh. 62. What is the name of regional connectivity scheme launched to make air travel affordable in India? A. Udan scheme. B. BharatNet scheme. C. Sagarmala program. D. None of the above. Correct answer, A. Udan scheme. 63. Which state UT government has launched the Anmol Advanced Newborn Monitoring for Optimal Life Care scheme? A. Haryana. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Delhi. Correct answer, D. Delhi. 64. The Shakti Sadan scheme was formed by merging which two schemes? A. One Stop Center and Mahila Police Volunteers. B. Swadhar Grah and Ujjwala. C. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao and Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. D. Mahila Police Volunteers and Nari Shakti Puraskar. Correct answer, B. Swadhar Grah and Ujjwala. 65. Which state government has launched Mukh Mantri Mavan Dhiya Satkar Yojana MMDSY? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, A. Punjab. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.